Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all the lecturers. My Honorable to Dr. Siti Sarah Fitriani SPD MA as my supervisor, the Honorable to Dr. Dian Fajrina SPD MED as my first reviewer, and the Honorable to Dr. Dohra Fitrizia SPD MED as my second reviewer. First of all, I would like to praise and express my deep gratitude to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the blessing, guidance, and good health that have given to me to finish this thesis proposal. Second, I would like to thanks to my advisors and reviewer who has given me the opportunity to present my thesis proposal with the title The Effect of Suggestopedia Method on Students' Vocabulary Mastery. Alright, in this presentation, I will divide it into 3 chapters, and chapter 1 will discuss about background of study, research question, aim of study, and significance of study. Okay, the background of study. Vocabulary is found in every aspect of language. Without vocabulary, students cannot understand the information they are learning. That is why having a lot of vocabulary is an important thing. So there are several reasons that cause student lack of vocabulary mastery. First, students have difficulty remembering the vocabulary because they have never used the English language before. And the second is the problem that students are not interested in learning English because they have difficulty in learning English itself. Then, based on the researchers' experience while teaching at SMQ1 Masjid Raya, the researchers found that the students had a low interest in general subject. They tend to focus more on the vocational subject because the assumption that the general subject were not important to study compared to vocational subjects since they attend the vocational schools. And in addition, the vocational school is located in a suburban area, and the students studying there are mostly from lower middle class families, which means that the environment was not familiar with foreign language. Some of them not even mastered Bahasa fluently. So, in the study, the researchers focus on the method of teaching English vocabulary. In teaching English, there are many methods used by teachers to improve student vocabulary mastery. English teachers must design an interesting learning models and create a fun learning atmosphere to help students master a lot of vocabulary. In this study, researchers set up a learning environment and learning atmosphere to help students understand English and learn more about vocabulary in a fun and relaxed situation using the Suggestopedia method. So these statements also supported by Galti 2018. The research question of this study is there any effect of the Suggestopedia method on students' vocabulary mastery? And the aim of study is to determine the effect of Suggestopedia method on students' vocabulary mastery. And this research also has significant study for English teachers, students, and also other researchers. For English teachers, the goal is to let them know that the Suggestopedia method can be used as an alternative ways to learn vocabulary in the classroom and to know how important vocabulary is when teaching English. For students, it is motivate them to improve their vocabulary mastery. And the last for the other researchers is expected to provide other students with useful experience for the future research on the same topic. Next, chapter 2 will discuss about literature review. The first one is vocabulary. Vocabulary, according to H. N. Brown, 1995, is a list or collection of words for a particular language that may be used by speakers of a language. Vocabulary is an important aspect of language learning as stated by Richard and Wiley 2002. And Brown and Payne 2016 state that it is important to know about vocabulary learning strategies. There are 5 important steps in vocabulary learning. First, having a source to find new words, And second, getting a clear picture of new vocabulary, either visual or auditory or both from new words. And third, learning the meaning of words. Fourth, making a strong memory connection between the form and meaning of words. And the last, using word or practical vocabulary in daily activity. Second, Suggestopedia method. Suggestopedia is claimed to be a dynamic learning process because it uses music, classroom management, classroom decoration, and so on. Lazanov 1970 believed in the learning process of using Suggestopedia can give the positive hypnosis to make students feel more relaxed and able to concentrate while studying in the classroom. According to research in Purba 2070, there are some characteristics of Suggestopedia method. Those are decorations such as stick the vocabulary in the wall of the classroom, and then furniture and classroom arrangement that allows a teacher to set the comfortable sitting in the classroom, and then the use of music to make students feel more relaxed while studying, and the authority behavior of the teachers, that means teachers have the controls over the classroom. Next, chapter 3 is about research methodology. The first one, we will discuss about the research design. This research is quantitative research with an experimental design. The experimental method is used because this research requires statistical analysis in analyzing the data obtained. This study involved two classes. The first class was chosen as experimental class, which taught by the Suggestopedia method, while the second class is selected as the control group, which is taught with the conventional method. The aim is to find out whether the student who has given the Suggestopedia method could achieve the higher score than student who has given conventional treatment. And then the second is research location. This research took place at SMQ1 Masjid Raya, which is located in Laksamana Malahayati Street, Neuhen, Masjid Raya Aceh Besar. And then population and samples. The population in this study was students of SMQ1 Masjid Raya, which amounted to approximately 355 students. And the samples, according to Sugiono 2012, the sampling technique is the way researchers take samples from the population. Here, researchers use cluster random sampling because the classes are equal. Next, data collection. The researchers use pre-test and post-test as the research instrument to collect the data. It included 15 vocabulary tests with multiple choice questions in each pre-test and also post-test. Students were asked to choose the correct answer by crossing the right answer. The test used in order to know the achievement between the experimental and control group after the treatment. And the last is data analysis. The data in this study are analyzed by using the t-test formula. But before calculating the t-test, the data must be tested for normality and homogeneity using SPSS 25 software for Windows. After the t-test obtained, the researchers compared the t-test and t-table. Hypothesis testing used criteria with a significance degree of 0.01, and the conclusion are HO is accepted if t-table smaller than t-test at a significant level of 0.01, which means that there is no influence of the Suggestopedia method on student vocabulary mastery. On the other hand, HA is accepted if t-table has a significant degree of 0.01, which means that the Suggestopedia method has an effect on students' vocabulary mastery. Alright, that's all the explanation of my thesis proposal. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.